Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and multiple information. Why don't we try to draw a dog today? Yeah guys, you're absolutely correct. Today we're gonna be drawing a dog, but make sure to like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel. So yeah, let's get on to the video. So step 1. First draw an oval shape for the head. Then you need to draw another oval, smaller and turn to a side. Now you need even a smaller oval for the nose. You have to draw 2 circles for the eyes. Then draw small circles within these circles to make the pupils. You could then draw a smiling mouth with a tongue and a teeth. For the ears, you could draw 2 L shapes on the top of the head. You are nearly done, guys. Just remove the extra lines and hey, you have a dog in front of you guys. Color this picture to get an adorable dog. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.